I've had quite a bit of interest in this cowl, both in using this Navajo technique, which is in a previous video, of turning one strand into 3 from one ball, as well as the idea of changing colour on before the return pass. So I thought I'd show you how to do that today in Tunisian crochet. So here's my grey. Now I'm using full stitch, which means you work between stitches, and that means that with one colour you work in the first gap but not the last, and in the second colour, which is the pink, you don't work in the first gap but you do work in the last. That helps keep it straight. So in other words, for the grey, I'm just working between each stitch except the last pair. I'm not on the last pair yet. You might think I am, because there's a gap there. You have to be careful you don't miss the last stitch. Okay, so I do have to miss that gap, and I have to do my end stitch. Now that's where people find Tunisian quite tricky sometimes, especially if you're changing colour. So this is what I would do. So I know I've got to miss that gap. That is like the front bar of the next stitch. So go under the front bar as if you were doing normal Tunisian simple stitch. But you also go under the bar behind it, which happens to be in a different colour because we're changing colour. So go under both of those. I still use my grey to do the yarn over and pull through once. So now I have the correct amount of stitches. I'm going to change colour on my return pass. So just drop the first one, pick the second one up, and yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, all the way back to the beginning. And that gives this lovely neat edge. Hope that helps.